What's up everybody? So right now we are in Italy and as you can see we have a pretty nice view from our apartment. So yes, today I'm with my sister and a friend of my sister. But we are not going to stay here for a while. Whoa, wait a minute, press pause. The trip didn't start there. Let's go back home where everything started. For this trip we were going to be a lot in the car, so I had to choose between my camera gear and my clothes. So I brought my camera, some lenses for the camera, some lens adapters for the lenses for the camera, some accessories for the camera, a microphone, a film camera, another film camera, some film for the film cameras, a drone, some accessories for the drone, an action cam, some accessories for the action cam, an ND filter, a tripod, a bigger tripod, a gimbal, and a pair of boxers. I was ready to go. We jumped in the car, picked up Rachel, who is a friend of my sister, and started driving. We went through Luxembourg, through the beautiful Alps in Switzerland, and finally in Italy. So I think it's safe to say that this apartment has an amazing view. But we are only staying one day here. Here we are, first shot. Anyway, we then ate. And then pretty much just jumped to bed. We just woke up and had breakfast, but it's already time to go somewhere else. We are going to hike a little bit today. And we started hiking. I think it's safe to say that I love hiking in the mountains. But there is something problematic. Every time I go on a hike, I bring more and more gear with me. So here I have also this camera, a film camera, Nikon FM, and I have another film camera. And we have arrived to our final destination for today. And this is a pretty magical place. But the thing is that we forgot our swimsuit. So I guess I'm just going to swim in my boxers. Cold. The water is so cold. Oh my god, so cold. And it's way deeper than I thought. Well, swimming in the water felt so great, but now I'm freezing to death. I don't have any towels. It was worth it. It was really worth it. Well, we kinda had to. We're in Italy, so yeah, kinda makes sense. And here we are on the boat on our way to Corsica. We left the shore. It's pretty fun to be on a boat. I really like it. You know, it's really chill and relaxed. And you get to get a lot of sunburns, and that's perfect. It's been a minute since we are on this boat, yeah. So yeah, another really a peaceful place, but really nice and perfect to chill out. So far, so good. And yes, we started hiking. We're gonna walk a little bit until we find a great place to swim in. We're gonna jump in the water because it's so hot outside.
The bear like walking in the mountain. He like to take his time and be calm in the nature. He also like eat. He like eat fish.
Eat it. And we have arrived at the river. So I'll jump into my swimming suit and then jump in the water. And we are over with the river. That was a pretty fun afternoon because I love swimming in the water so much, and even more when the weather is like, I don't know, 34 degrees Celsius. So that was really fun in those landscapes, you know. You know I love mountains. You know that. Everyone knows that I love mountains, so that's even better. So we are in another Airbnb, and tomorrow we are going to hit the road to go to the west coast of Corsica, but that's going to be for another video. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and to share the video, and I will see you in the next one.